Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making veg recipe for kids. It's so easy. It's tea time snacker for everyone. You can store up to 3 months in refrigerator. Boiled potato 250 grams. Boiled green peas half cup. Boiled corn half cup. Grated carrot half cup. Breadcrumbs 1/4 cup. Red chili flakes 1 tablespoon. Pepper 1 tablespoon. Garlic powder 1 tablespoon. Onion powder 1 tablespoon. Salt as per taste. Mash all ingredients. Make a dough. Take small size balls. Make shape with hands. Do like this. Keep aside. Corn flour 1 tablespoon. Water 1/4 cup. Corn slurry is ready. Now dip in corn slurry. Coat with breadcrumbs. Refrigerate for 1 hour before frying. You can store up to 3 months in refrigerator. Oil for frying. Fry on medium heat until changes color. Now it's ready to serve. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.